It's about 60 degrees here in Rochester, Minnesota. It's December 15th, I think. We're expecting some strong storms tonight, and you know, with snow, it's going to rain later, they say. Severe winds and possible tornadoes, unheard of in December here in Minnesota. And I mean, yeah, it's about 60 degrees, light wind right now. So worried about hail and things like that with the van. So Georgie and I changed out the coolant temperature sensor, which I'm going to go show you here in a little bit. I got to take the doghouse off. I have to take that out, what we put in, out. It's not the same sensor, number one. It's longer. And when I was driving back from Minneapolis the other week, I got home and I always open the hood of the car and turn off my battery. I did that this time, and there wasn't any hot air rising out of the engine compartment, and I don't think I was getting coolant flow. I had my internal heater on, the blower motor and all that on. It was heating. I was getting hot air, which is probably because it wasn't getting out to the radiator. It was coming in through the heater core. I don't think I heard anything. Still starts. The smoke's not terrible. You know, again, after it warms up, the smoke goes away. But hey, I'm a little concerned that maybe the water pump or something is bad, but I don't hear it screaming either. So maybe I got lucky, didn't hurt anything. I have to take off my doghouse to get back into the coolant temperature sensor that Georgie and I put in last week. I might even have some old video of that. I'll try and find. I had to do it on my phone. Didn't have my GoPro then. Kind of show you where it's at. I'm going to show you here anyway, but it's going to take me a little bit to get this friggin' doghouse off. And it's always a problem getting it on and getting it off. It's just a pain in the butt, but you got to do what you got to do. And I want to try and get it done, replaced before tomorrow, when it's going to get down to about 20 degrees after the storms blow through. And hopefully, pray to God, nothing bad happens to anybody during the day. They're thinking it could be serious. So I know down in Iowa, it's looking pretty grim. So, you know, pray everything's remains okay. So anyway, I'm going to get this doghouse off, and then we'll go from there. Can't believe how warm it is today. Got this little hoodie on, but seems to work out okay. I'm going to try and videotape myself taking this doghouse off. It's a severe pain in the butt-toot. So I think what I'm going to do is we're going to put things on fast motion.